Here's a full-length spoken voiceover script reviewing the GMKtec K12 Gaming Mini. Imagine having the power of a high-end gaming PC, condensed into an ultra-portable package that fits in the palm of your hand. That's what you get with the GMKtec K12 Gaming Mini, a revolutionary mini PC that's about to change the game for anyone looking for seamless, lag-free performance. But before we dive into its impressive specs, let me tell you what makes this little powerhouse tick. Inside, you'll find the mighty Ryzen 7 H255 CPU, an 8-core beast of a processor that runs at up to 4.9 GHz and supports AVX 512 for ultra-fast processing. That's like having a supercomputer in your living room. Now, let's talk about graphics. The Radeon 780M iGPU is the real deal, driving multiple displays simultaneously with resolutions up to 8K and supporting the latest video codecs without any issues. That means you can play the latest games on FSR settings without any hiccups. It's like having a personal gaming arcade in your home. But what really sets the K12 apart is its storage. With dual SODIMM DDR5 RAM sticks that run at 5,600 MHz, you get an impressive 32 GB of RAM to tackle even the most demanding tasks. And with a 512 GB PCIe 4.0 SSD drive, you'll have blistering fast loading times and seamless multitasking. Plus, each of the 3 M.2 expansion slots can support up to 8 TB of storage. That's like having an entire library of files at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about display. The K12 Gaming Mini supports 4-screen 4K/8K output via HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4, making it perfect for gaming, video editing, or just showing off your favorite wallpapers. And with USB Type-C transfer speed supporting PD 3.0/DP 1.4/data, you'll be able to transfer files at lightning-fast speeds. But wait, there's more. The Oculink port on the rear interface gives you higher bandwidth capabilities, better frame rates, and lower lag. That means you can enjoy eGPU setups with reduced latency and improved performance. And with dual Ethernet 2.5 GBE LAN ports, you'll have faster internet speeds and improved stability. And then there's connectivity. With built-in Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, you'll be able to connect multiple wireless devices like projectors, printers, monitors, speakers, the list goes on. And with a powerful dual-fan cooling system that delivers silent, ultra-efficient cooling, just 35 dB in quiet mode, you can enjoy uninterrupted performance without any distractions. But what really sets the K12 apart is its warranty. GMKtec offers a comprehensive 1-year limited warranty, starting from the date of purchase, which covers all defects due to design and workmanship. Plus, with their 24-hour support team always ready to help, you can relax knowing that your mini PC is in good hands. So there you have it. The GMKtec K12 Gaming Mini is an absolute powerhouse of a mini PC that's designed to deliver exceptional performance and seamless connectivity. And with its affordable price point and exclusive discounts for business buyers, it's an offer you won't want to miss. Check out the link below to get your hands on this incredible device. Trust me, it's worth every penny.